Good morning or good afternoon. Welcome to the Tarry Homestead. Sister Marcel here. So I put the picnic tables out. Y'all, why my dog was chewing on the picnic table? Like, I knew it. Look, right there he's chewing on it. Excuse me, miss. Right there he's chewing on it. So when they get empty, he just chew on them. So I don't know, I might have to get another one, or as soon as I see they empty, put them away. We got Chloe inside there. He always do that. But I got in the little aprons I was telling you about. I ordered them off of Amazon. And so we're going to open them up. And I think for sure I'm going to put in anybody watching. Y'all know what's going on with this chicken? For some reason, that's how her feathers are. They just don't want to be like fluffy, I guess is the word. And this is a silver lace Wyandotte. I do have another silver lace. Where is she? Let's see where she at. I do have, hey Charlie. Hey Charlie. How you doing? Charlie. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Okay, let me see if I can find her. Because they're usually down there dust bathing. But let's see if she's in here. I gotta keep an eye because I do have hawks that be flying around. And there she is. There she just went out. And it's eggs all on here. So while I'm here, it's time to collect. And it's time to change this litter too. That's Kate. I don't know what she is. I think she's a olive egger. But there she is. There's the silver. That's what that other chicken is supposed to look like. But she don't look like that. She look like she got alopecia or something. So I don't know what's wrong with her. She just went through her molting stage and never recovered. So I don't know what's going on. They start to scratch holes. So it's time to change this. I usually do it every 4 months, and so it's about time. So yeah, I'm back over here. So this is the silver lace Wyandotte, and where she go? I just call her alopecia because yeah. And this is a golden lace Wyandotte. So I believe that's the mom, but I believe Big Bang is the dad. Because she has tufts. And I think this is like a Easter egger, I believe. I have mixed breeds, y'all. Mixed breeds. So let me see where alopecia go. Oh, here go alopecia. There she is. So she looks like that, but she's supposed to look like that. So I have no idea. I don't know what happened. Look at Chloe, still in there. But anyway, the aprons. I'm going to be putting an apron on. Let's see if I can. So here's the aprons here. We got a blue, a pink, and like a jean. It's going to be going on number 1, Jessica, right here. As you see, she's really bald in the back. So I'm gonna try to get a hold of her, and we're gonna see if I can fit it on her. Hey there, Lulu. This Lulu right here. She's so cute. Say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah, you say hi. Let's see if my boy gonna jump on me today. Let's see. Shall we try it? So you see he's over there. Let me see, he gonna jump way over. Y'all see I'm here. Let's see. Yep, he comes. That's my buddy. Hey Chloe, you gonna turn around? You gonna turn around so people can see your handsome self. Say hi everybody. You gonna crow? He crow. So yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can catch Jessica and we can put this apron on her and see how it goes. All right, so be right back. All right, you gonna get down? You don't wanna get down? No? You gonna crow again? All right, let me let you down. Up, you don't wanna get down? All right, we're gonna attempt it. We're gonna attempt it, yeah? Let's see if I can catch her. Let me find her. So I got Jessica here, and as you can see, this is how her back was looking. Let me make sure y'all can see. This is how her back was looking from the rooster getting on her. It looked like her feathers is trying to grow back. So we're gonna try to see if I can fit this on her. All right, and she's so cute. Say hi. You wanna look into the camera? Say hi. You don't wanna say hi? No? Okay. And this is one of my older hens. I've had her for quite some time. So let's figure it out. It said head. Come on now. It says head facing me. So let me turn her the other way. So we're gonna put this on her like this. Come on, let's sit down. Look, just sit down. Just sit down. Girl, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. Look, just stay. Look, just stay. Let me go under the wing. This is not easy. All right. And then we gonna snap. I hope y'all can see this. Okay, that's one. Go under the other wing. I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry. No, just stay. I'm trying to help you out. You finna be cute. You gotta look. You gonna be cute, okay? Just stay. All right. Go under here and snap. All right. Let me snap it here. All right. And then this flap down. Like this. And then this side, I hope y'all can see this. And then I think that's how hold on, girl. Hold on. Jessica, chill, girl. Chill. We gotta make sure you okay here. Oh, look, we got some bended feathers. Hold on. Okay, I gotta unsnap this one. Cause you moving, girl. I'm trying to get everything right. I'm trying. Actually, I think I'm gonna go the tighter one. Yeah, I'm gonna go tighter. I'm sorry. All right. We gotta do the other side tighter. Look, just be still. I'm trying to help you out, girl. So you won't be so bald in the back. All right, so now we're gonna snap that one. We're gonna snap that one. And I think we're good to go now. All right, so there it is. It's on her. I'm sorry, Jessica. I'm sorry. She's like, girl, you know I'm old, putting me through this stress. But look, now it looks good on her. So let's see. All right, there she goes. Look, she's like, wait, I can't even put my wing right. Look, there she is. So let me see. I might have to adjust it a little bit. She picking with it. This side is fine. So we gotta make sure this side is fine too. I don't want it to be uncomfortable for her. I wonder, this one is just buckled a little bit. Wait, Jessica. Jessica. Chill. I'm trying to fit it right on you, girl. Does it hurt? Let me loosen it up. This other chicken is trying to get out. I don't know why she's trying to find a way to escape. She's trying to find a way to escape. She's gonna have to get used to it. There we go. I think she good. Look, everybody disappeared now. Where'd everybody go? So now, since they're pretty much done with that, I'm gonna put that up because I don't want my dogs chewing it up. But look at Jessica, looking pretty in pink. Looking pretty in pink. Look, she's like, man, what is this on me? She's like, can you help a sister out? Like, why is it picking with me? But look, that'll give her a chance for her feathers to grow back. So I don't feel like going down there to see who else need one. So I'll wait. I'll wait until later on this evening and try it. And so, regarding these roosters, we got a lone chicken strolling over there. That's not safe to do so because there's always hawks looking for a lone chicken. So, but anyway, these boys right here are going to a new place tomorrow. So I was told that there is a feed store that'll give you $10 per rooster you bring in, or they'll give you a discount on feed or something. It'll be a trade. I was really gonna give them away for free, but I'll take the $10 or I'll get the feed. I'll probably get them some feed or scratch instead of the $10 because I wasn't really expecting to get paid any money. But there's some beautiful roosters. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. It is a beautiful day here in Northern California. And look, no chemtrails. The sky is free of chemtrails. Praise God. These are real clouds, y'all. Real clouds. Not no manufactured clouds. So, yeah. Thanks for watching We Tarry Homestead. You guys be blessed, and I will see you guys, Lord willing, in the next video. All right. Bye.